Hello everyone. In this tutorial we're going to set up our Python environment for Linux, right? Using the Ubuntu GUI distribution. So first let me log in my account. Ooh. La 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 la. Bye. Okay. First of all, Python is already installed. Python 3 is already installed in Ubuntu. Let's check, right? But here we go. Python 3.6 is already installed, right? Okay, so we are ready, right? I have seen some people like trying to update the Python 3 version in the GUI Ubuntu distribution, GUI distribution. Don't do that because it will mess your GUI, right? Because there are like many files linked to this specific Python version. So don't do that because then your terminal won't load. You just use just like load in the terminal mode and you don't want that, right? First, but you can do this, right? You can do this. This is a solution for that. First, we need to upgrade our package leaks distribution, right? In order to do that, let's run this command sudo apt update and apt. Let me see. Upgrade. I think it is. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Just update the package list. La 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 la. Wow. Yes. Sorry, my internet's really slow. So I don't know. I think I'm just might pause the video. Let me see. Yes. I would just pause the video and like return with you guys. Okay. Okay, this is just finished. Now we need to install our pip, right? Python package, right? So so in order to do that, first we need to just install, right? Sudo right, Python 3 pip. Okay. Oh, it'll take a while to. Let me see. Right? Just wait. So this just install our like the package installer. So let me see. Okay. Let's clear this. Okay. Now let's install the newest Python 3 version. We can just install the 3.0 3.8 or 3.7. I'm just going to install it 3.8. Okay, yes. Okay, okay. If we check our Python version in the terminal, it just still like shows the Python 3.6. Don't worry, this is normal. This is normal. We have both versions, the 3.6 and the 3.8. Remember what I said before, why we have like this in the, like as a default, because some files are linked to the GUI of the this distribution. So if you attempt to upgrade this version, it would just mess your your Linux environment. So just leave it like that, right? Whatever. Now let's install. Um, we need to restore. Okay, we can do that later. I think it's fine. Install Pycharm, right? Oh, just let's just restore now, right? Just restore. Let's install Pycharm. I really recommend this either to work with Python, but you can use anyone, any. You can use Visual Code, you can use Beam, whatever, Sublime Text, any that makes you all like any that makes you feel comfortable with. So install this one. Okay, okay, let's launch. Ooh. Okay, do not import settings. We don't have any settings. La 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 la. No. Okay, I like this. I like this UI. Okay, next. You can install just plugins if you want. I don't need that. Okay, we have our IDE in our Python. Let's create a new project. Okay, like here we can just set up our virtual environment. As you can see here, there are like the two versions that we have installed in our in our Python environment. I just can just choose anyone. I mean like I can just choose this one. This is the latest version that I just installed previously, right? I extremely recommend like use Pycharm for this because it's so easy for you to just change environment, like set up your environment, use any Python version that you want, as you can see here, and just like keep your files like really organized. And you don't have like a mess of like oh like what Python version I'm using, la 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 la, everything. So we can just name it and create. That's why I recommend use Pycharm because it's so easy to keep everything really organized. Okay, sorry, this is kind of like a low, slow. Okay, we have our environment here. We will talk about this. We will talk about this. We're going to talk about this later. So, okay, we have our Python package here too. We have everything, so we don't have to worry about anything here. You can just create a folder inside directory, like name it like, I don't know, whatever you want, or we can just create files, Python files. Okay, and we can just start like running code here, writing our code here. So I I like to set up like this in this. Let me see. What is the should be out settings. I will show you how I like my color. I like to use the monokai. This is my favorite one. And the font I just put in like 14. Um, hmm, mm, 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 mm. Okay. Apply. Okay. Yeah. Hello. We can just we open our terminal. You can see like our environment will just activate. You just open the Python console right here. As you can see. Sorry, everything is like really tiny. If we go, oh, we have our Python version here. You can just grab. We can just from here like start using Python, like the and just we'll just execute our Python version. For example, you can check our Python version here. Oops. As you can see, 3.0, right? Because this is the one that is installed in our environment. Okay, great. I think that's it for now. You can just like configure your Pycharm however you like it. And we will see you in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching.